viewers, welcome back to our channel Sri Solutions Education Series. Today I am going to give you the content of the course and introduction to the commerce. Whatever I have given in the content of the course, that only I am going to explain in our further classes. If you have any doubts regarding to commerce, please comment in comment section and that also explain you. So next, coming to our topic, introduction to the commerce. Commerce is nothing but the buying and selling of goods and services. Whenever we buy the goods in a large scale, that is nothing but the commerce. So this is actually part of the business. To run the business in a smooth way, we must require the commerce. So actually whatever we have produced in the business, that must be consumed. To facilitate this consumption, we must require the commerce. So this commerce is an organized system. In this, so many rules and regulations are placed. So by following that, we need to do the business. So we'll get the proper result or proper profits. So here, whenever we produce the goods, that must be reached to the customers in a ultimate goal. So to reach that ultimate goal, we must require the commerce to overcome by overcoming some hindrances. So many hindrances are taken place in the business. That hindrances are person, place, time, finance. So many are there. So now I am explaining one by one in hindrances. Hindrances is removed by the commerce. That hindrances is nothing but the delays or problems. First one, person is removed by the trade. How, in the sense, this trade treaty is done by the buyer and the seller. Whenever the buyer will buy the goods from the seller with the exchange of the money, through this handover of the products, the consumption purpose is completed. So we can remove the person by the trade. Next, coming to the place. The products are produced in a certain places or in a certain areas. The customers are everywhere. So to reach that customers, the goods, we must require a transportation. So here the place is removed by the transportation. Next, coming to the time. Time is a very important in the business. How, in the sense, whenever we produce the goods in a bulk, so at that time we produced goods must be stored in a warehousing. So after storing in warehousing, we can sell the goods. So here the time is removed by the warehousing. Next, coming to the finance. Very important aspect in the business. So we must require the finance. So this will be overcome by the banking. Banking may provide the finance facilities to the business. Next, coming to the risk. Risk is uncertain, is nothing but the not compulsory sure whether it is a small business or big business. We must face the risk, then only we will get the profit. So this risk is overcome by the insurance. Insurance companies may provide the so many insurances to the business, like marine insurance, so many. So whenever I explain insurance topic, that time I'll explain the insurance also very clearly. Here, to overcome the risk, the insurance companies provide the insurance. By this we can overcome this delays or hindrance of the risk. Next, coming to the one more important point, communication. Information is very important in our business. Whatever we have produced the goods, that must be reached to the customers through the advertisement, communication channels, media, etc. So that communicating information of our product is a very important in the business. So here the communication information is removed by the advertisements.